last question is that, sir, nowadays in degree admission, arts, commerce or science, entrance exam are going on. So your suggestions about the student, because they are suffering a lot of problem regarding this entrance exam, and those who are living Hailakandi, they are exam in Karimganj students have in Silchar and various zones. So one thing is the transportation or to attending the places, it is difficult because traffic jam. A lot of students have missed their time to join that exam. Or in this system, the sufferers are crying, but the system is going on. What is your view about this?
See, when a decision is taken, particularly for the interest of the student community, we have to look at the sufferings of the target group like the student community. The policymakers, of course, must take care of these things. In the last few months, we have witnessed that it was really a very harassing and very disgraceful situation for the student community, for the guardian, to reach to the distant admission center, entrance examination centers, and many people could not turn out also. So I hope that the policy makers as well as the government will take the note of all these things and must facilitate the students with the best of the facilities, best of the provisions. Of course, it is the need of the hour that CVT program examination is conducted to get admission into higher education institution. Through this, the student should understand and should prepare themselves to get admission in the higher education institution. Many a time, lots of dropout are there, and student without thinking, without preparation, they get admission into the higher education institution. Later on, they cannot continue. So I hope that through these examinations, the students will be prepared well. They will take sufficient preparation about their course they would like to pursue, and to select the institution they would like to go for, and they will also prepare themselves well for the CVT examinations. Of course, some more awareness about this program is very much essential. Institutions should take care of this thing. In our institution, we have seen students pursuing our undergraduate courses in Maria Majmooin College of Science and Technology or in Ajmal colleges. We are also finding difficulties, and in our higher secondary 11 and 12 standard also students, they were not well aware about these things. So we have come up with the preparatory programs for the CVT examinations for their admission into higher education institutions, and it is not that difficult for the students to prepare themselves for these things, but guidance and support is needed. I hope that the institution also come forward to make the student well aware of these things and will give the tips and guidance so that they can prepare well for the program. And of course, the administration must take care of the logistic facilities to be provided to the students.
हम बात कर रहे थे हमारे राष्ट्रीय स्तर तथा उत्तर पूर्वांचल के जाने माने व्यक्तित्व शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अहम भूमिका निभाने वाले किरदार आजमल फाउंडेशन के निदेशक डॉक्टर खसरुल इस्लाम सर से। सर, आपने अपना कीमती वक्त आज यहाँ पर इस कार्यक्रम में प्रदान किया और शिक्षा के विकास में उत्तर पूर्वांचल की विभिन्न क्षेत्र में जो आपका पहलू है, जो आपका प्रभाव है, इसके चलते लोग लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं। ग्रामीण क्षेत्र से लेकर शहरी क्षेत्र से तथा कई और राज्यों में भी छात्र छात्राएं यहाँ पर आकर अध्ययन कर रही हैं। ऐसे अनोखे वातावरण में विद्या का विकास हो रहा है, ज्ञान की विकास हो रही है, लोग अपने आप को स्वनिर्भर कर पा रहे हैं और अपनी उम्मीदों को, अपनी आशाओं को पंख लगाने में कामयाब हो रहे हैं। पूरे देश आपके प्रति आभार व्यक्त करता है कि आपने इतने बड़े शिक्षा प्रतिष्ठान के जरिए लोगों को सराहना देते हुए उनकी भविष्य निर्माण कर रहे हैं, और इसके अलावा कई समाज सेवा में भी संस्थान जुड़ा हुआ है। आज के इस साक्षात्कार कार्यक्रम में आपने अपना कीमती वक्त प्रदान किया। हम बराक वार्ता की ओर से आपको हार्दिक बधाई प्रकट करते हैं और आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। आपकी जीवन सुंदर सुखमय हो, यही परमपिता से प्रार्थना है। धन्यवाद।